Hi guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple weeks. There's been like a ton going on. If y'all follow me on Snapchat, y'all know where I've been. I've been busy working a lot, and then one of my best friends came in town. She was here for almost a week with her boyfriend, so I was spending time with her, and now I'm back from outer space. Anyways, so yeah, I look a little strange right now. I have like no mascara on or anything like that, but I'm taking it back to like 2012 when I got my first ever MAC product, which was a MAC Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Snob, and I totally forgot how much I love it. I haven't worn like a pinky nude in like a hot minute, but I'm so happy with how my makeup came out today. But the reason I don't have mascara on is because we're gonna be testing one out today. So I was talking to my best friend when she came, and I was just complaining to her, and I've talked about this to you guys, how I'm just never ever happy with mascara. Like, this one thing, like, I get anxiety when I need a mascara because I'm like, I'm never happy with mascara, you know. And that's why I've been wearing lashes a lot recently, is because I ran out of my my eyelash enhancing serum or whatever, so my eyelashes have, you know, gotten back to their original length, and it's just, yeah. So I've been feeling just really insecure about my lashes. They're just so short, and like they don't hold a curl, nothing. I've tried so many mascaras, none of them look good. Or they'll look good for about 2 seconds, and like half an hour later they'll just go down and just look gross. And I tried all the ones we've been like, oh my gosh, this one's amazing, so I try that one, I don't like it. So then I try another one, I'm like, oh, this one's amazing, and then I don't like it. Hi, Risa.
I got the cat.
Yeah, can you go eat your mac and cheese while mommy finishes? I'll be right down. Anyway, so I was talking to my friend about, you know, my issue with mascara, and she has this mascara that she swears by, and so she was actually so sweet. When she went home, she actually ordered it for me, and it just arrived today, and it came in the most bougie box ever. So this is a Chanel mascara. I think this is Volume De Chanel. I think that's the one this is, but I'm going to unbox it with you guys because it's just like, don't mind her, okay? Realistically, just, they're gonna be in here. This is just like such a bougie box, and it's like a lot of packaging for a mascara, but you know what? I figured I would do a Chanel unboxing so I can sound cooler than I really am. And just like the packaging receipt comes in here. There's that. Let's open this up. So I open it, there's just like a little envelope in here. This is Chanel. And oh, it's just a note from her. She says, this is mascara I was talking about. I love it, and I hope you do too. Well, thank you, Morgan. I love you. I cannot wait to see. Come on, this is like really extra. Come on, Chanel. Chanel sticker. I feel like this sticker is probably like worth my entire car payment. Which is another thing that's been going on. My car went kaput. Like 100% like done though. Like the transmission was just like, no, bye. And yeah, so I had to go get a new car yesterday. If you guys want a car tour, let me know. It's literally a 2018 brand new car. My first new car ever, but let me know if you're interested in that. Probably not. I'll probably save it for the vlog channel. But, so I open it up, and this is what I see. Oh my gosh, like literally the most beautiful presentation for a mascara ever. Alright, and here is the actual mascara, the Volume De Chanel.
Please?
No, not right now, sweetheart. When mommy's done. She wants to put on lipstick. So back in the day, before I was doing YouTube, and I watched Meg, back when she was Ciao Bella. So she talked about this mascara, and I was like, I will never ever, you know, have the money to get that. I think it's like $30 for mascara, which is pretty ridiculous. But yeah, this is in the shade black. Oh my gosh, like I want to keep this packaging. It's like so pretty. I can like sell this packaging and like pay one of my car payments. Ooh, so sleek. Okay, so before we dive into the mascara, let's see what's in the little baggie right here. Little baggie. This is cute. So we've got a Chanel perfume. Oh, I used to love this perfume. Oh my gosh. God, I forgot how much I love Chanel perfumes. You literally only need like half a spritz, they are so strong. That is the Chanel Gabriella. And then this is the Chanel here is just the Chanel Hydra Beauty Cream, so I'll go ahead and try that out. But this packaging is like so pretty. I want to pull this back in here just because it's super pretty. I like this packaging. I want to like display this box. Does that just make me like a typical white girl? Is that what's going on here? Okay, let's try the mascara out because Like I said, I've never been happy with mascara, and she's convinced I will love this mascara, but we shall see. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open this up. There is the wand. I like how short the bristles are. I feel like it's not gonna clump a lot. Like when I do is I curl my lashes, because I want to give this a fair shot. To be honest, I never curl my lashes. I'm just doing it for the video. I've curled my lashes. Really, and the reason I don't curl them is it never makes a difference because they don't stay curled for more than 2 seconds. And the thing is, like, I don't have straight lashes. They just never ever want to do anything. Let's test out this mascara. I'm talking too much. Alright. So the brush is fully coated. And let's give it a whirl. So the real test will be how I feel about it in like an hour. What are we thinking so far? I'm like wiggling at the base. Oh. I'm like wiggling at the base. All the way up my lashes.
Ooh.
Alright, so far I'm very happy with how my lashes look. And that is with, I'd say like 1-ish coat on each. So these are my lashes after 1 coat. I'm going to let it dry before I go with a little bit more. If I need more, I don't know if I need more, maybe. But I just kind of want to, see, I already see them flattening. Like, this is just what happens to me. I know you all probably can't see it. But, like, I already see, do you guys see? It's just not as intense as it was like a second ago. But yeah, so hang on. I'm just going to let it dry. See if that helps. Yeah, I'm already seeing it. Am I like just like overly picky on mascara? Like, is this normal or something? See, this right here I'm happy with, but then it goes down. Alright, so my lashes are still drying. They're getting there though, but they're still kind of wet. So what I'm gonna do, I'll wait for them to dry, and then I will be back in like, I want to say, I will be back in an hour because that's how long it usually takes for my lashes to go down and not look cute anymore. That's a real test. My lashes always look pretty good right after I put mascara on, but the test is in an hour because not a single mascara has less than an hour on me. So, not even an hour. So I will be back in 1 hour to give you an update on the mascara and let you know if my lashes love it or not. So, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright you guys, it has been an hour and a half. So, let's zoom you in. And we will see how I feel about these lashes. Okay, so first off, I'm noticing one thing is there's no transfer going on here, which literally always happens to me. I get like these gray spots, and it just always happens. And it's not like my mascara is transferring, it like happens like after a little bit of wear. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs. My lashes are staying curled. Like this never, ever, ever happens, you guys. And I'm feeling my lashes, like they don't feel clumpy. Like they feel nice and smooth. I'm loving you guys. So my friend Morgan was correct, and I love this mascara. I think I've officially found my holy grail mascara because this is a first. No mascaras have ever lasted this long on me. Ever. It is a first for me, and I'm very excited that she has found the mascara for me because seriously guys, the reason I'm usually wearing like full glam is because like I can't just like put on mascara because my eyelashes suck. You know, but with this mascara, I think I can do that. So, I'm very, very, very excited. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. And like the packaging was just like stunning, you guys. Like, I have a Chanel box. Totally keeping this box, you guys. Anyway, so yeah, I love this mascara. I think the retail value is $30. I will put a link to it down below. She did order it directly from the Chanel website. But I'm so excited. I love this mascara. She was right. All right, girl. I got you. I got you. I got you. But anyway, so I just want to quickly unbox this with you guys and try to mascara. I mean, I want to do content I love, and I was really inspired to do this, so I did it. But yeah, I'm glad to be filming it again. I just had to like jump back into it. The next video I'm doing, I have it sitting here waiting. I'm gonna be doing a first impressions and review on the Milani Gilded Desires palette. That's going to be coming in the next few days. I'm going to be filming it tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't terribly long, but you know what? That is okay. Short videos are good. Long videos are good. Medium videos are good. I don't know. Anyways, I love you guys so much. If you guys are tuning in my channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you want to stick around. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you miss any of my uploads. And if you've been with me for a little bit, then welcome back. I love you guys. I'm going down in the comments, so meet me down there. We'll have a conversation. For today's question, let me know what mascaras that you are obsessed with, because maybe there's some I'm missing. I've tried a ton. This is the first one I've tried that like works and stays. But let me know, because I'm going to find like a drugstore one. Like the one I loved from the drugstore, they discontinued. It was the CoverGirl Lash Perfection. They discontinued that years ago. I don't know why. It was like their best mascara. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Mwah! Goodbye.